Hello everyone, welcome my YouTube channel. Disclaimer. The opinion expressed here is not investment advice. Shiba Inu, SHIB, can get greater use in UAE thanks to this partnership. Today, August 29th, the signing of a partnership agreement between Binance and UAE business services provider Virtuzone on the company's use of Binance Pay technology has been announced. Through Binance Pay, Virtuzone hopes to expand its range of services offered, as well as take its business operations to the next level. Who else benefits from this? Of course, all cryptocurrencies that participate in the Binance Pay program, including Shiba Inu, SHIB, which joined in early August, benefit from it. As Today reported back then, Binance officially included XRP, AVAX and SHIB as payment options via its service, Binance Pay. Now, companies using the services of a freshly minted Binance partner in the UAE will be able to use these cryptocurrencies as a payment method. Moreover, Virtuzone works exclusively with legal entities that need complex business services, which potentially entails a large cash turnover. In addition to Virtuzone, various hotel and retail chains are already using Binance Pay in the UAE. SHIB for mass adoption. This is the second news story in the last 7 days highlighting the use of Binance Pay. Earlier, it was reported that in Argentina, Binance in partnership with MasterCard would launch a prepaid card. This would allow Argentinian users to pay for purchases from more than 90 million merchants who use MasterCard. Here again, the addition of Shiba Inu into Binance Pay paid off beautifully for the project. It seems that SHIB fits in perfectly with Binance, with which it is now in the same boat to meet mass adoption. Shiba Inu, SHIB, successfully bounces off support level. Here are next steps. According to the daily chart of Shiba Inu, the token has successfully bounced off the local support level, but due to a lack of momentum, the growth remains insignificant. Trendline support at press time, Shiba Inu is moving on the trendline support formed back in July. The line remains the last support for the token as the 50-day exponential and regular moving average could not hold under the large selling pressure that is coming from whales. If we ignore the unexpectedly large price increase on August 15th, SHIB has remained in the ascending price range since the end of June and continuously moved within it. If the range holds the existing selling pressure, SHIB will maintain current gains and move further up. Volume profiles suggest that the token is not receiving any support from large retail or institutional investors, which is one of the main reasons behind the anemic performance. With Bitcoin plunging below $20,000, we are once again seeing an outflow of funds. What's next for Shiba Inu? For now, Shiba Inu desperately needs some buying support from investors, as the token will most likely break down if it remains in the range any longer. Every test of the local support level is dangerous, as an unsuccessful bounce attempt will lead to a potential plunge below $0.00001. As we saw from the most recent 40% price spike, Shiba Inu does not need gigantic inflows of funds to make a big return on the market. Even the slightest buying activity that might come from whales will lead to strong growth. At press time, Shiba Inu is trading at $0.000012 and gaining around 2% to its value in the last 24 hours. Doge and SHIB remain under pressure following the Powell speech. On Sunday, dogecoin, Doge, fell by 2.72%. After having ended Saturday flat, Doge ended the week down 10.85% to $0.061782. Following a 2.09% loss on Saturday, Shiba Inu coin, SHIB, slid by 2.96% on Sunday to end the week down 5.38% to $0.00001181. Range bound through most of the Sunday session, Doge and SHIB hit respective highs of $0.064310 and $0.00001246 before a final hour sell-off. Weighed by the Nasdaq 100 Mini, Doge slid to a low of $0.061298, with SHIB falling to $0.00001172 before finding support. Both Doge and SHIB saw major support levels tested in the late pullback. However, crypto market conditions have improved this morning, with the Nasdaq 100 Mini reversing losses from early in the session. However, the Nasdaq 100 Mini remains in negative territory, which will test investor sentiment going into the US session. At the time of writing, the Nasdaq 100 Mini was down 143 points. There are no US economic indicators to provide direction later today. The lack of stats will leave the pair in the hands of FOMC member chatter and market risk sentiment. Shiba Inu coin, SHIB, price action at the time of writing, SHIB was up 1.52% to $0.00001199. A mixed morning saw SHIB fall to an early low of $0.00001169 before rising to a high of $0.00001213. Technical indicators SHIB needs to break out from the $0.00000120 pivot to target the first major resistance level, R1, at $0.00000123 and the Sunday high of $0.00001246. SHIB would need a material shift in risk appetite to support a breakout from the morning high of $0.00001213. In the case of a broad-based crypto rally, SHIB should test the second major resistance level, R2, at $0.00000127 and resistance at $0.00000130. The third major resistance level, R3, sits at $0.00000135. Failure to break out from the pivot would leave the first major support level, S1, at $0.00001115 in play. Barring another extended sell-off throughout the day, SHIB should avoid sub-$0.00000110. The second major support level, S2, at $0.00000113 should limit the downside. The third major support level, S3, sits at $0.00000105. Good day to everyone.